I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to check your payment history on Gemini, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Start by opening the Gemini app or website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for verification. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, look for the account option in the main menu. This is usually found at the bottom of the app or in the top right corner of the website. Step 3. Select Payment History. In the account section, find and click on Payment History. This will direct you to a page that lists all your transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You can filter your payment history by date or type of transaction. Use the filter options available to narrow down your search. Step 5. Review your payment details. Click on any transaction to view more details, including the date, amount, and status. This is helpful if you need to verify a specific payment. Remember, if you don't see your recent transactions, try refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. Happy tracking!